got 30 minutes till last call. Wow, you a bum. Hey, 4 points for Rob. Yeah, 4 points. Hey, we still got 30 minutes of last call. Big shout out DJ Shina with a name team. What a name there. I see you got a big tab, but what a name there.
Baby, I don't understand just why we can't be lovers.
Get that drink.
Not getting out of here.
Drink.
Trying too much, but baby, we can win. Let it go. If you want me, girl, let me know. I am down on my knees. I can't take it anymore. It's tearing up my heart when I'm with you. Baby, I'm feeling too. And no matter what I do, I feel the pain. With or without you.
Hey.
Baby, don't understand what I'm trying to tell you. In the corner of my mind, running out of time. Let it go. If you want me, girl, let me know. And down on my knees.
What up?
I'm smashing.
It's your girl Gigi.
I'm your boy. We're smashing some motherfucking Chick-fil-A.
We smashing some Chick-fil-A. I know it's like weird lighting right now, but like we're just sitting. Oh, look what I did to my hair, you guys. This shit is black now. Oh, my bad. Oops. Excuse my language. But it's black now. Like I look extra regular up in this.
Big.
And you can't put me out in the crowd, but hey, what can you do? Well, we smashing this Chick-fil-A. Let me stop. But
Yeah, let me tell y'all something.
peep cam.
This Chick-fil-A.
Hold on, let me look. Let
Chick-fil-A
me
sandwich is fucking Fuego, yo. Like,
hold on. Watch the camera because I'm trying to like, cause I can't see. Like, I want better lighting.
what?
See, it's better lighting,
No.
right?
It is.
Okay. So let me park over here.
And she's supposed to be smashing her food too.
I'm
though.
supposed to be too, but
Yeah,
I'm
she
over
got,
here.
like-
I'm trying to have y'all like see us. Hold on. I don't. Where am I going? Hold on.
Let me tell y'all something.
Better
Man.
light. Is it better lighting right here? Are we good?
We good. Yeah. Let me tell you one thing, and two things for certain. There's nothing like hot fucking food, yo.
You need to excuse your language.
I'm sorry. There's nothing like hot.
Hold on. What are we doing? Is this going on my channel or is this going?
It doesn't matter. Like, we're actually just having an open discussion right now.
I think this is gonna be on our joint channel.
It could be on our joint.
It's gonna be our joint. We got a whole bunch of videos on our phone stored up, so we just gotta put it out.
She just want to put it on our joint because I said, fuck. And I'm
I think so. I think that's exactly
So I'm
why.
going to say it again. Fuck.
It can go on mine. Fuck.
It's going on our joint because my channel, I'm trying to
keep it white.
No, don't say it like that. I hate it when people say it like that. You even posted something on Facebook about that, but no, like,
it's true.
It is true, but I mean, it's not that. It's just because I'm an up and coming author, so I'm over
an up
here
and coming
rapper,
entrepreneur, right?
True.
But I don't even and even if I did rap, I mean, Jay-Z rap all the time and he barely cusses.
True.
I mean, Lil Wayne only cusses because he feel like it, and then you got Drake.
True. Look, what y'all know about this sauce right here? This is the honey roasted barbecue. That's the best Chick-fil-A sauce that they got. Better than Polynesian, better than Chick-fil-A sauce. Yes, I said it. I don't know, I might put this on my channel.
What, man?
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna put it on my channel.
You know why she's not gonna put her on her channel? Cause she don't want y'all people to really know the real her yet. So look, what I'm telling y'all is.
Man.
What I'm telling y'all.
No.
Let me tell y'all something, man. She got, you know how you at your job, and you gotta be corporate while you at your job. You know what I'm saying? That's her all the time. You know what I'm saying? She's got to be fucking corporate. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do it, this is by the fucking book, okay? Look, let's go ahead and call it what we say. You know what I'm saying? So you know she's a company girl, guys. So that's why she want to make sure she has that company. You know.
I be on my P's
image.
and Q's. Trying to. I'm trying to be successful out these
But
streets.
once again, that's just like a Filipino thing. You know, all of them want to be like that. You know, I mean, just being funny. But
we got black and rice in the building, in the car, in the car.
Yeah, look. I think that's what it is. Like,
that's our name. Black and rice.
Black and rice. It's delicious too. I'm telling you guys. You just gonna want to serve it. Whole good server. But yeah, I think that's what you be doing. Cause like, you know, I mean, now us black people, we get real ratchet at jobs sometimes. So I mean, I can't even say too much. But like Filipinos, they take their job serious. Nigga, they could be working at McDonald's, nigga, and they're not gonna do half of the shit as white people and black people, us white people. Us black yeah, us black people.
You mean as Americans?
America.
Like American.
America.
I mean, I'm American. Born and raised here. But I'm Filipino American. You know what I mean?
Playground is where I spent most of my days. Oh, we weren't doing the French fries? But, yeah, y'all are very, like, serious about your life and stuff that y'all do. Like, y'all work at McDonald's, y'all go do it.
We're them strict parents, that's why. Oh, education comes first. It always comes first. What are you gonna do if you don't go to school? Nothing.
Fresh off the boat. She ain't even seen that yet, man. Yo,
I have not. You know, my bestie, Carria, shouts out to you, Carria. She likes that show. She's like, BG is so funny. And I'm just like, I'll check it out.
It's true. It's very true. It's very true about all of them. Everybody. Even blackish. It's about black people. It's funny. So it's about black people. The Goldbergs are about Jewish people. And it's funny.
Oh, are they all made by the same people?
No, hell no. I mean, it's pretty funny, though.
No, are they made by the same people, though? Like,
No, not same company. I'm sorry. No.
Oh, for real? So people are just like, hey, well, since they did a show about fobs, let's do a show about,
Yeah, pretty much.
Jewish people and black people. Really? Oh, that's how they did it? Oh.
Yeah. Pretty much. Well, it all kind of came in together. It started with that one show, Modern Family, you know what I'm saying? And then it went from Modern Family, Black. Now, don't quote me on this stuff now. I'm just talking my shit. But
You're just talking.
You know.
Oh, my sandwich! Sorry, I'm sorry.
That Family Matter type shit, you know what I'm saying?
Can you pass me another honey roasted barbecue?
Honey.
Stop, don't do that. But anyway, so we got this joint channel right now. But we basically, okay, this is kind of a mukbang. Mukbang. I like saying it like that. Don't judge me. But, Chick-fil-A. But, what the heck was I talking about? Oh, yeah, this channel that we have going on. So we kind of gotta explain ourselves, too. Like, what we doing and all that. This channel is gonna be all over the place lit. Because, where's that other thing? We're not just gonna talk about stuff. We're gonna have our topics of like discussion and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Get you guys going. Things that you guys thought about and want to know, like both sides of the story, male and female. And then you got the skits that we're gonna perform and have for y'all, have y'all cracking. Shoot, what else we doing? I'm gonna be promoting my book on here too. He's gonna be promoting himself on here. Like,
I'm selling myself. Who wants to buy it? Don't stop. Nah, one day I ain't gonna do. I ain't no sellout.
But yeah, so I mean, if you guys have any questions, just comment us below. And we got our IG. Come follow. So, but anyways, I guess we're gonna call this a wrap for right now, cause y'all got the footage from last night, which is right roll this little clip that we have here. So we was lit. That should be our intro. We should have that like when we was lit in the club, like do our intro. We need help with the intro, so if anybody wants to help us with the intro. I knew she
was gonna be stupid thick. I was
He's talking about these females. Was it last night or you talking about like right now?
Right now.
Right
in
now.
this door, like in this dog, like her ass is like.
Dudes, I'm telling you, it's like, oh my god, like it's so annoying sometimes.
Hey, man.
Like every dude I be with, whether I'm with them, or they my bestie, or they like,
Girl, let me
they like stop. I don't care because I'm your friend. But if you was my dude, stop commenting on other girls. Why? Come at me.
Rubber.
Come at me.
If you was my girl, then I would have had to hit you with the rubber neck. Like, you know, like, what you looking at? Like, dang, I think something wrong with that tire.
And as soon as you hear that, ladies, you already know what time it is. He looking at booty. Booty. I don't care, though, because that's my home.
I mean, but I
do sometimes. I be pointing out some booty.
But I would never. Yeah, you do. Cause we're friends. Like,
I do.
But because, do you point booty out to your boyfriend?
Heck no.
Okay.
No, you don't. No. No. Never. I'd be like, what you looking at? If you want to be with her, go be with her.
But okay, cool then. That's like me pointing out gray sweatpants for you. Girl, he got some gray sweatpants on. Yeah, okay, see?
Gray sweatpants.
And girls know what they be doing. Every girl gotta have yoga pants on. Look at it. Here she comes. She's coming to the back. You see her?
No.
Stupid thick. Oh my god.
I can't believe this is going on a video.
It's really going on a video right now.
Are we still recording? We are.
Yes, because you gotta appreciate the butt. And she just bent over for me. Lord Jesus.
Bend it over.
She looking at me. Look at her. Like, I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. I want to wave at her when she ride by though. Hey, Miss Parker.
Hey, Miss Parker.
Look, she even back my way because she should have went out the other way.
I can't.
Did you see her?
Let me see how she. Is she a butterface?
Bye, Miss Parker.
I'm weak.
Bye.
I can't. I can't. Living the single life. That's what it is.
I am living a single life right now. Even though I miss my ex-boo though. Like,
I'm single too, apparently. For people that actually follow my channel and know me, I guess I should tell y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all on this joint channel. If y'all got questions, holla at me. DM me something. But I am getting a divorce. So it is what it is.
Bad but good news.
Bad but good news, because it's actually bringing me to where I want to be at in life, which is successful. So So. But anyways, y'all got any questions for me? Holla at me. Y'all got my IG. And then y'all could comment below. I mean, y'all could always comment below. I read the comments.
How about this, dog? How about y'all tell her to change her name? Fucking Gigi.
GGTV. It's GGTV on YouTube, but I don't want to change it. If y'all got any suggestions for me, then that's what it is. But I'm not trying to add no numbers behind my name. So, I'm not going to be 1. I'm not going to be 2. I'm number 1. So, why am I going to...
GG69.
GGTV.
GG112.
What? I'm weak. GGTV. Holla at me. Don't.
All of a sudden, she got someone in her DM.
I can't.
She just said somebody DM her and they DM'd her for real, like, blah, 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 blah.
Stop! Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. But anyways, so we're gonna holla at y'all. This is kind of an intro, kinda, not really.
Why are you trying to get off?
We could have a no, it's not. We're gonna have a better one for y'all, but we might as well just have the camera rolling anyways. Get y'all going a little bit. Oh man. Oh man.
You know when your boo thing call, you be busy, so you gotta hurry up and do everything you can do.
That's not it.
Hey, hold on. This nigga, this nigga, hold up. All right, we finished. Hey.
He be real extra, but that's how it really go down. Y'all be quiet.
Put all your phones on silent.
Put all your phones on silent. Hey, what are you doing? I'm just driving. But you are game. Oh my goodness. We gotta go. Say bye. Black and Rice. Swerve the Martian. Your girl Gigi.
Hey.
Hit that freaking like button. Smash it. Right now. Right now.